The Logan 250 Craft and Hobby Cutter features a 24-inch laminated surface baseboard, a removable guide bar. It also includes a bevel cutting head with a retracting blade, and a mat knife used to downsize sheets of mat board. Also included, 2 squaring bars with screws to attach them to the baseboard. For assembly, find the squaring bars, locate the holes on the underside, and press them onto the pegs under the top of the board. Flip the board over and use the 2 machine screws provided to tighten the squaring bars in place. To downsize mat board with the 500 mat knife, first loosen the knob in the center of the blade holder, set to the center hole, and retighten. To cut 2 inches off a piece of blank mat board, lift the guide rail, insert the mat board underneath the guide rail, and line it along the 2-inch mark on the squaring bar. Firmly grasp the 500 mat knife and cut along the edge of the guide bar. This slices exactly 2 inches off a piece of mat board. To install a blade on the bevel cutter, first remove the blade holding knob. Place 1 Logan number 270 blade onto the surface of the blade holder and slide down until the holes meet. Replace the screw. Make sure that the blade is going through the blade slot. To bevel cut a 2-inch border on a square piece of mat board, first insert the backing sheet and the mat board blank color side down. Again, line the edge of the mat board along the number of the border you wish to cut, in this case 2 inches, and use a pencil to draw 4 lines along the back of the mat board. Take the bevel cutting head, press it firmly against the edge of the guide bar. Starting at the near line, line up the start and stop indicator on the bevel cutting head with the drawn pencil line. Insert the blade with your thumb and cut to the far line. When the lines line up at the top, use your thumb to retract the blade. Repeat these same steps for the remaining 3 sides. Always make sure that the edge of the mat board is perfectly aligned with the scale number for the border size you are cutting. After the 4th cut, the window will drop away and you will have a perfectly beveled cut 2-inch border mat.